everyone. I'm Dr. Shabnam Parveen, consultant in reproductive medicine and surgery in Genome Fertility Center. And today, on this occasion, let me take the opportunity to wish all the mothers a very happy Mother's Day on behalf of the entire Genome team. A mother usually plays a number of roles in a child's life, like she's a friend, she's a teacher, a confidant, and mostly a caregiver. So a woman, when she's born with a caregiving instinct, with or without child. And usually what happens is, whenever a child is in need of some help or is in some trouble, usually they recall their mother. So this journey of motherhood, it usually starts with a couple planning for this conception, and then it goes on to the phase where they get to see the 2 pink lines, after which they embark on a journey for 9 months where the baby grows within the mother's womb, and at the end of 9 months they finally get to meet the little one. So this journey is a tedious yet a very beautiful journey, and mostly it is not as rosy as it seems. Sometimes when the couple is planning to conceive, they face a number of difficulties because of various reasons. There may be male factor, polycystic ovary, endometriosis, problems in the uterus, due to which they find conception to be difficult. Sometimes even after conceiving, there may be a number of losses because of which they are not able to conceive for a long time. Also, there may be a number of complications during pregnancy. So finally, when they conceive, so it becomes a very tedious journey. Now, as a care provider, it is our responsibility. We try in Genome to make this journey as comfortable, as less stressful as possible. As a society, we need to be more comforting towards these couples and try to support them as much as possible. Even the family plays a very important role for such couples in supporting them, in encouraging them. So this Mother's Day, I dedicate to all the aspiring mothers who are going through a difficult phase. So don't lose hope. You have the strength and you will be able to pull through. So wishing you all the best and a happy Mother's Day again. Thank you.